Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow for responsive landing pages step by step clearly. To install Webflow for responsive landing pages, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Webflow website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and create a password. After that, click on Get Started. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the verification email. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Webflow homepage and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Webflow dashboard. Look for the New Project button on the dashboard. Click on New Project to start a new project. Choose a template or opt for a blank project to customize. If you select a template, browse through the available options. Click on the template you want to use and select Use Template. If you chose a blank project, click on Create. Once your project loads, familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side, you will find the panels for elements, styles, and pages. To create a responsive landing page, start by adding a section. Drag and drop a section from the Elements panel onto the canvas. Next, add containers, grids, or div blocks to structure your layout. Customize your section by clicking on it and accessing the Styles panel. Set the width and height to ensure a responsive design. Add text elements, images, and buttons as needed. Each element can be customized individually for responsiveness. Utilize the breakpoint options to adjust the design for different devices. Testing responsiveness is crucial, so switch between breakpoints to review. Make necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks great on all screens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.